All right, it's going to be a short video today, but this is a short series of videos that we have coming up. We've got two newer bikes here. This is a 2025 Road Glide 117. This is a 24 CVO-ST non-VVT bike. Both these bikes came to us from Montgomery, Alabama, and we are going to be doing the exact same things on each of these bikes at the exact same time. We're going to be doing a set of headers, the compensator, the CR484 cam, lifter guides, the new cam gear, ThunderMax push rods. So that's what's going to be happening in the next couple of videos coming up. Looking forward to sharing this with everyone. This is going to be really fun to do two at the same time. So we'll do as detailed as we can on the install process and the tune process that we use, and we'll go from there. So, as usual, I really appreciate you watching. If you like what I do, hit the subscribe button. If you don't, thanks for watching anyway, because I know you got this far in the video. I'm always here at the shop, usually. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to email me or call on the phone. If you're within 100 miles, come on by one day. You know, if you have something you want done, come on by and see the shop, talk to us. We're just regular dudes. So, I'm Steve Carr, and I'll talk to you later.